How to fix Walmart app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Walmart application is not working, there are certain things we can do to solve it. Let's dig in. First and foremost, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, try to connect to a stable network. If this does not solve your problem, then let's move on to solution number 2. You can press and hold onto your application and head over to App Info. From here, tap on the Force Stop button, then head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will clear up any of the bug or the glitch issue. If this feature is not available for your device, tap Open your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down until you see the option of Apps and click on it. Head over to All Apps and search for Walmart. Repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. If none of this actually works, check for any of the available update in your Play Store or App Store. If not, you need to uninstall your application and reinstall it later. Also note that if your application is undergoing an update, it will simply not launch. In that case, don't panic, just have some patience and try to relaunch it once the update is over. And we have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.